Okay, so let's understand the data type Boolean. So what is Boolean? Boolean is just nothing. It's a logical true or logical false situation in a statement that is available. So in Python, other than the other data types, this is one of the most easy and one of the most important data type that is available. So in decision making or in any return statements or in any situation where we want to decide on the basis of certain thing, we use the Boolean response of it. Okay, so let's get started with the understanding of Boolean. So let's say, for example, I have a number which I say uh, 4 is equals to 4. It will give you what? It will give you true because it's logically true. And if you want to use this like this, print 4 double equals to 4, it will again give you true. Or maybe if I use print 4 is less than 4, then it will give you false because this is logically false in our own mathematical understanding. So take it this way. Or maybe if I just do some other operation, let's say print uh, 8 cross 64. 64. Now, this is not gonna give you true or false. It will give you the result. So and comparison is happening when when you want to say in your real life any uh, feedback, yes or no, then in that case this boolean will behave in responding you by telling either this statement is true or false. So we will do decision make. We have already covered a video of if and else, which is already there in the in our playlist. You can get the link from the description if you want to understand what an if and else. But there you will see that how this creates a really good impact. Let's say I'm taking a variable a is equals to 4 and I'm saying b is equals to 6, and I want to do certain action based on this statement being true or false, and I will say if a is greater than b, then print a message, say yes, uh, go and power off the lights, something like this. Else I want to say print, I will just simply say false. If I run this, I will say false because A is 4 and which is not greater than B. If I make this A as 14, then you will say it will go inside the else of it. So this if is basically a logical stage where we decide the code written inside this block will be either executed or will not be executed. So this Boolean is of type bool, just to compare with the other data types. So they are of type bool, and if you want to check this, let's say if I have a string, let's say I'm saying print, and I'm having a string called apple, and I want to know the bool of it, the stage of it, I will get the value of as true. So bool is a data type available, just like every data type in Python has a type data as a type. So bool is a type of the Boolean data type. So if just to remember, like list have the list, tuple has tup, sets have set, dictionaries have dict, dict, and so on. Right. So this is really a short understanding of the Boolean, but it has got really more impact. So, guys, other than this, there are other important data types also. Integers are there, floats, numbers, strings, dictionaries, and sets and tuples are also there. And we have already created a good example video for all of them separately, so you can just go in the description link, you can find the playlist or all the videos are marked against the headings that you want to learn, and you can just start learning. And if you have any issues with them, you can just post your comments in the post your feedback in the comment and just let us know in case you are struggling at some point or you want to understand any particular topic. Okay, so now let's say in this video itself, like I want to know the bool of false. What is bool of false? It is false, right? And if I want to print the bool of none, it is also false, right? And if I want to print the bool of curly braces, let's say, then again that is also false. So maybe if you're getting confused, let's break this in the different. So, there are certain escapes that you have to understand when you're understanding all this Boolean, but they are really easy. For example, if you want to know the bool of empty string, so bool, and you pass double quotes, you will see that it is also false, right? Or just like dictionaries, you can also check for an empty list declaration, that is bool of square bracket. You will see it is also false. Okay, so empty things are always false. That's what system understands. So in future, you will understand definitions, also methods in Python. You will also see that they are returning certain. So return is also of a type, and that type is either true or either false. So it will depend, like how do you want to consume. Okay, so that is all about booleans. So booleans are logically true and false. They are very easy to understand. Only conceptually you will have to understand the impact that it is creating, right? So guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet, and also do share with your colleagues, with your friends, if they are also learning Python, or if they're starting to learn, right? And if you have any comments, any problem, just post your inputs in the comment box. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.